everyone, today I'll be cooking vegetable soup, and before I get started, I just want to use this opportunity to appreciate each and every one of you that helped me to subscribe. I've gotten up to like 44 subscribers. I just started. Please um help me to subscribe, share, comment, and like this video. Any recommendation will be highly welcome. Thank you. Bye. So as I said before, today I'll be cooking vegetable soup, and these are the leaves that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this water leaf as one of the vegetable, and then the next one I'm using will be kale. So kale, I'm using the two types of kale. It's still kale, everything, but this one is just the flat kale. And then the heart leaf here. So this is how I'm going to do to cut off this heavy side. And then the next one is still kale, and is the curly one. So yeah. So these are the vegetable I'm using, these two vegetables. So please keep watching so that you will see other ingredients I'm adding to this vegetable soup. So let's get straight to the point. Thank you. Bye. Yeah, I just placed the pot on the fire right now with all the meats, which include tendon, goat meat, um, stockfish, cow skin, and what else? I don't know. Yeah, but I'm not yet. The fish is what is left, so I just placed the pot on the fire. I will let it boil. So today I'm going to use another method to get out the sliming from the water leaf. Since I'm using water leaf, remember I said water leaf and the kale. I already finished cutting the kale, and I finished cutting water leaf. So keep watching and see what I'm going to add next. I will let this boil for at least 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is over, and I'm stirring everything together. I just leave this habanero pepper like this. I already blend some of them, but when it's soft, I will mash everything together. So now the next thing I'm going to put in here will be water leaf. So the next thing, as I said, will be water leaf, adding water leaf. So that is the water leaf that I'm adding to the pot. So before I cover the pot, I will put the oil. The oil will prevent the water leaf from sliming. So okay, so that's it. I'm not going to turn it. I will then cover it and leave it there to boil for at least another 5 to 7 minutes. So keep watching, please. So this is exactly 7 minutes. So before I mix everything together, I will pour the crayfish, and then ready to mix it. Time to mix. You see, it's not sliming at all, because of the oil I put. So there are two ways you can get rid of sliming from your water leaf. You either put the oil and you pour the water leaf in before you put everything, or you put all the meats you are using to cook the soup at the bottom, and then put the water leaf on top of it and put oil in and cover it for some minutes. So the next thing that I'm going to put here will be this is the kale, the green leaf. Honestly, I already put a lot of kale in here, I didn't remember to turn on my camera. I hope the camera was on, but it wasn't. So this is the remaining part of it, and I'm not going to use this one here. So I put it here and I mix everything together. So yeah, all of you, we all understand the importance of kale, but I'm not going to talk about the importance of kale here right now because of time. Next time I will talk about the benefits of kale. So this is the soup. So it's not yet done. I only have one thing left to be added to. So I'm not putting the fish in. The fish look as if it's burnt. It's not burnt. It was fresh fish, and then I dry it off in my oven, but it's not burnt. I don't want to break it or in pieces, but the fish tastes so delicious, which sometimes I do take some to work and eat it with my fruits or vegetable that I take to work. So don't worry about how the color of the fish is. It's not burnt at all. Yeah, honestly, if you are here, I'll give it to you. You will like it. So I dried this fish by myself. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Very greenish. So this is the end of it. I just want to give it a final step. This soup is so delicious. Honestly, I'm telling you the truth. It's so delicious. So that's the final stir. I will cover it for just 2 minutes and then turn off the fire. So 2 minutes is over, so I'm going to turn off the fire right now. Yay! See? Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to scoop it in the plate. I'll put it in the freezer. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and like the video. Thank you. Bye.